This place is full of dead animals, man. Shit got real, bro. So we reached the second Airbnb spot. So for the climb tomorrow to Mount Washington, so we gonna be staying in this place. It's an old rustic place. This is like some heater. You put the wood here. It's a old rustic spot.
You fucking killed a bear.
It's like some wool skin and bear skin. Right, yeah, it feels big. And pretty comfortable as compared to yesterday. So I'm going to show you something real quick. So this is the guy who owns this Airbnb. He have a unique collection of dead animals all over this cabin. He have killed a lot of animals here around, I guess. First off, what we are seeing is a bear skin. It's a real bear hunted and we are touching its skin right now. And this is the first time I'm touching a real bear skin. It feels so real. I couldn't even believe this. I wonder how long before he have killed these animals, as he have left claws on most of them. Behind us there is one more dead animal. What we are seeing is a wolf skin over there. So it's a wolf skin over there and a bear fur behind us. So up to now we saw two dead animals, and now over here we see a fox skin which is hunted and hang from the ceiling. So up to now there are 3 dead animals and it's not over yet. My friend said like there is one more dead animal and it's a moose skull, I believe. So he have hunted a moose and kept its skull outside the cabin. And that's not it, bro. Like we got one more. We have an antler. I'm not sure which animal it was taken from. And I'm not gonna lie, seeing all these dead animal parts were kind of terrifying for me.
Snow hike.
Huh?
Snow hike பண்ற boots.
Snow hike boots. Oh, that's interesting, man. Those are snow hike boots.
You got a lot of bear here, man. Around this area. Look at that. Oh, don't wake the bear.
Look at that.
Don't wake the bear, That's
Oh,
why he told
shit.
that you should not urinate outside.
A lot of bears around this area. So.
Yeah, they can slip it. The bears are bears.
This cabin by itself is so crazy. This is the first time I ever been in an Airbnb which has a lot of dead animals. 5 of them to be exact. Now it's very important to remember that personal taste can vary greatly, and this particular decor choice might not be for everyone. If you're an animal lover, you might have mixed feeling about the presence of a deceased wildlife in a vacation rental. But hey, to each their own, right? It's all part of the adventure when you book a unique stay like this one. I said it to myself and went to sleep. Next day we woke up and hiked Mount Washington, which I have a separate video posted already. But before we reached the cabin I just showed you, we had the opportunity to explore several captivating spots along the way. Welcome everyone. So what we're gonna do today is grab this bad boy right here and break some woods. Take something which is doable. Gonna try to break this. Okay. Okay. So we are here. Gonna try placing it. So it's almost broken. It's almost broken. Just one more thing, man. Okay, so one final blow. That's it. We got the wood now. So we're gonna burn this. Follow me. Okay. Come on in. So this is our wonderful cabin, and let me put the lights on.
This is a bad themed cabin.
So this place is full of like dead animals, as you see in the top. Have wolf, skin of wolf, skin of bear, a lot of other stuff. So what we're gonna do now is like open the shed. And we're gonna try put this wood block inside here. So this is how the furnace which gives heat. We put it here and the smoke goes through there, right? So we're gonna just place it here, and then we just gonna close it. Ta-da! That's it. And just like that, my epic New Hampshire trip was coming to an end. This trip had the most unique experiences, starting from climbing a crazy mountain to staying in the most remote cabin I can ever imagine. I have tried my best to recreate this video showing these awesome memories. So here is to exploring and living life to the fullest. Cheers.